Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a bit different because my audio is not working for whatever reason. If you see me talking but you don't hear my voice, please don't get panicked. It's my technical issue. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. And today's video, I'm going to do this makeup look like Rihanna. So let's do this together. So I am done with this look. I will go change and here I am. I am so happy that I am done with this look. It took me like 2 hours, which is crazy, but also totally worth it. Like, look at the outcome and oh my goodness, like I definitely recommend you guys to try this look if you plan to go to prom or like any night out. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and see you on next video. Bye.